I'm Brett from Konecranes. You know, when it comes to our synthetic rope, one of the questions we get asked most is its ability to carry a load. Basically, how strong is it? But what I can tell you is that this rope is made of premium synthetic fiber. We put it through thousands and thousands of tests to make sure it can carry the load, and basically make sure that this is something you can trust with your equipment. And from a safety point of view, one of the most critical things is how the rope fixes to the hoist. One of the members of the test team is going to show you how the splicing for the fixing is done. The splicing is the first and also the most very important phase of the roping. The splicing of the synthetic rope requires less tools than preparing steel wire rope. Now comes the good part. We're going to do a breaking test that's going to show you how strong the splicing of the synthetic rope actually is. And the key here is the splicing. And with the synthetic rope, the splicing makes it far more reliable in the areas where traditional wire cable rope would break down. And usually in the testing conditions, the steel wire rope breaks down at the wedge socket. The synthetic rope is still withstanding this extreme load extremely well. Oh, what a bang! So it's actually worth noting that the synthetic rope, it didn't break because of the splice, because actually the splice is the strongest part of the synthetic rope.